Yeah, I saw that. I almost got the kid that.
The kid's down.
Oh, he is? I did get him?
Should I run up there? I'm going.
Roger that. What? Oh, flaky left, flaky left. On you. One behind the container. One made it. There's one over there.
I know.
I'm gonna go get him. Oh, I got him? Huh.
I saw him walking back.
Why does it sound like that?
It's a new barrel.
No, it sounds like the battery's dying.
Just started it.
Wait, did you get him? The one that was over here?
No. Unless one of us got him when he was going over here.
I didn't see him walking back. Is he inside the container?
Yeah, when I saw him.
No, is he inside this container?
No, I ran it through this container.
Okay. Make up your mind.
Alrighty everyone, the name of the game is Team Deathmatch Round 2. And it begins in 3, 2, 1,
They're coming! They're coming! Hit! They see us. Shit. There's like 5 of them coming this way. Yeah, they see us.
Can we move and just put the big one in here?
We could. We have a friendly in there.
Alright. Yeah.
I think it's gonna be better just to go at it from behind instead of coming in from the side. Because that means walking through Lake Modern Mission. Or just do that. Ah, stupid flashlight. Let's just run. Run for it, just go. Red behind.
Much fun.
Okay.
There's one.
He's out.
Oh, he is. Oh, cool.
Hang on. I'm moving you. Oh, oh God. Damn, that guy's aggressive. Fuck, there's Brandon.
Did you not see him?
See who's in there?
Yeah. He's in between the far left and middle. Watch out. Fun.
Okay. You want to?
Yeah.
Let's go then. Hang on. Let me change mags. Pearson, just give me the all clear. Clear? Moving to you. Is that red behind us?
Yeah.
I'm gonna move up along the backside of the pin house. Clear it. Brandon's down again. I shot Brandon again. Careful, they're about to push her on this side. Pierce, I'm coming up from underneath. Hey, you might want to get back in here because they're going to start pushing soon. Hey, they're pushing. Oh, 4 down, 4 tangos down. They're two moving right. Oh shoot, sideline. You want to charge them? Is it?
No.
No, that's red. I think they're in the entry container. Yeah, they're moving to entry. I see them. If they charge up to perpendicular, we're gonna go get them.
Yeah.
What window is that?
Left.
Shoot, the blues are at our spawn, basically.
I think they'll die.
Oh, they will. See, they're moving up already. Hey guys, blue behind you. The two behind you. Two behind you.
Brandon tried running up here.
Two behind you.
You're on the right.